Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai immigration policy, and a recent article which brought to my attention a very interesting point I wanted to point out in this video. It didn't really have anything to do, or that much to do, with the overarching theme of the actual article itself. It's just one small point that I felt warranted further analysis. Recent article from ThaiVisa.com. Article is titled Skal Bangkok Wood Warns of a Deepening Thailand Tourism Crisis. Quoting directly, I call upon our industry leaders and government to speak with one voice, avoid conflicting information and mixed messages, one official voice only, all statements to be made and sanctioned from this one source. It's an interesting concept, but I think it fails to sort of see some of the nuance associated with this whole thing. There are multiple different government agencies associated with dealing with the response to COVID-19. For example, Ministry of Public Health deals with one aspect. Meanwhile, Thai immigration deals with certain aspects. Meanwhile, even within an immigration context, you've got Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and you've also got Thai immigration at borders, as opposed to Thai immigration at the various immigration offices here in the kingdom. Meanwhile, even within Ministry of Foreign Affairs, as noted in prior videos on this channel, different embassies and consulates do things just a little bit differently. So while on one level, I think it's definitely a laudable notion that everything be done sort of unitarily, so that sort of it's kind of monolithic. Everyone knows what the rules are. I think that's a little bit simplistic to hope for, because that's not fundamentally how the system operates. There's a lot of moving parts to this overall machine, and so the notion of speaking with one voice with respect to all matters pertaining to Thai immigration, or all matters just pertaining to COVID-19 policy, specifically as it pertains to foreigners, that's really a lot to ask for when you consider all the players involved, as well as all the different policies at play at a government ministerial and then departmental level.